thirsty old man. Got some water out here, huh? We got a puddle in the pit space. All right, guys, welcome back to World Finals Day 2018 edition. Pretty darn happy to be here. I guess realistically, we've been here for several days now. Had the practice race yesterday, ended up going out second round. I was 14 to the guy's 15. He went dead 3. I was dead 6. Should have left my foot on the gas. I was trying to tighten it up too much. I let him back by 002. I was 20 pack, he was 18 pack. But that's why we have practice races out here. Yesterday was the practice race. Today's the real thing. We're gonna give it another shot. We're gonna do the best that we can do, but I'll tell you what, we're just happy to be here, and we're having tons of fun. All right, just one time hit today, and then it's race time.
Pull the trigger, ride the bullet, cut the cord wrapped around your neck. Hanging by threads, hands bleeding. It's your glory, write your story, seize the moment, no regrets. Our name in stone forevermore. We want more, we want more, we want more. It's our time to shoot the stars. We ain't gonna stop till the world is ours. This landslide rocks below, ready to rise, ready to roll. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Telling history, let's go, let's go, let's go. Be legendary.
What are you doing down there? All right, so correction. Pretty sure I said earlier that we only get one time hit today. They actually made a change. They decided that the track was not perfect and that they wanted to scrape it. And now they're giving us another time hit. So 2 time hits, then racing.
I got my sandwich.
Look at that monster sandwich Mom has. Is that good? What are you eating, Vera?
Taco.
That is not a taco. That's a breakfast burrito. High five.
Fight the power, scold the doubters. They don't know how we roll. Keep an eye out, watch it back now. We coming for the crown. More, we want more, we want more, we want more. It's our time to shoot the stars. We ain't gonna stop till the world is ours. This landslide rocks below, ready to rise, ready to roll. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Telling history, let's go.
right, you guys, first round is coming up. It's after 3 o'clock. We probably won't be on the track till more like 4 o'clock or something, but first round coming up. Just want to thank everybody again, just like last year. It's an honor to get here. That's the same exact, you know, thought process that I've been going through this entire time, and talking to all the other cool people that are down here, meeting all kinds of new people, meeting a whole bunch of people that know me but I don't know them, and it's a crazy, awesome family, awesome experience, and just couldn't thank my old man enough for making this all happen and making the car run as awesome as it does, getting the motorhome down here, giving us this awesome living quarters to stay in all weekend. We're having a phenomenal time down here. Super excited just to be here. But first round coming up next. We're gonna do everything we can do, get it done just like last year. We're gonna try our best. That's all you can do, and we're gonna be happy with it. So first round coming up.
I don't believe in no devil, 'cause I done raised this hell. I've been the last one standing when all the giants fell. I won't shiver, I won't shake. I'm made of stone, I don't break. Moving on to the next round as John Myers, now 626, taking on the reigning, defending top ET world champion Tom Goff from South Dakota. Chris Black, the mod champion, already won round one. Can Tom Goff do the same? Tom representing Thunder Valley Dragways. Here comes Tom, top of the racetrack, win line, give it to Tom Gall, goes 507 to 506, keeps it going.
Did Daddy get a win?
Uh-huh.
Did Daddy win first round?
Uh-huh.
Say high five. Fist bump? Hey, that's not a fist bump. Blow it up. Come on. Did you blow it up? You best be blowing it up, girlfriend. Come on. Hey, you gotta blow that one up. Would you here? Blow this one up. This one's ready to pop. Blow it up. Blow it up. She's leaving me hanging. You blowing it up? We'll take that. Why are you talking like that? Junior!
Defending top ET Summit Super Series World Champion.
The snowball and golf. Brad Snow tough task ahead of him. They're taking on the defending world champion. Champion. Dead on with an 8-19 pack, Bradley Snowball puts the world champ on the trailer.
It's been in here? We never rebuilt it in 3 years.
It's been in there ever since it blew up that time when that rod broke.
Oh, yeah.
The only thing I did to it last one was pull the intake off it and put lifters in it because we busted that one at Cedar Falls and then went and won the world with a cheesy old one in it.
Hello, good morning, how you doing? Waking up, shaking yesterday's blues, yeah. Turn the TV off, it's bad news, man. Feeling fresh like a Ziploc new man. OJ with a champagne tuna. Mimosa Holy Ghost running through ya. Hell yeah, it's a new hallelujah. Popping like the top off a bottle and I ain't stopping, yeah. Baby, it's a brand new day. Ain't no clouds hanging over me. Something doesn't feel the same. The rest of my life gonna start today. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. The rest of my life gonna start today.
Well, you guys, that brings another racing season to a close. I would have loved that last race to go a little bit differently, but I'll tell you what, we gave it our best shot and that's all you can do. I mean, we had a plan and I think we did a pretty good job of executing it, but it's just not gonna go your way every single time. I went 14 to the other guy's 11. He run dead on with the 8 and I was one above. Going into the race, I realized that he was one of the fastest cars at the track that day, and I just felt a little bit more comfortable dialing my car one number more honest. Hi, sweetie. I dialed the car one number more honest, and I ended up running one above, and if I wouldn't have done that, I'd like to think that I could have got by that round, but like I said, we had a plan, that's what we did, and it was just kind of the wrong decision. We're still happy at the end of the day. I mean, 2018 though, what a great season. I can't remember any season other than 2017 that was better than 2018. Still ended up with 2 track championships this year. We had some great luck at Cedar Falls, and of course we made it down to Memphis again, which is just an honor to get there. And we had a great season, right, Vera? We have a good year, Vera?
Yeah.
Are we gonna have a good year next year?
Yeah.
Are you gonna make some more ice cream?
Yeah.
All right. Thank you guys for all the support. Much appreciated. I'll see you guys next year.
Calling out the ocean, this is evolution. Can I grow in?
Well, I'll take some ice cream. Let's get some ice cream over. Can you deliver it over here?
No.
Can you just drive the ice cream truck over here and deliver it? Ice cream first.
Get out.
Okay, what kind of ice cream you have?
Well, you can have chocolate or vanilla, no, strawberry or chocolate chip.
I want chocolate chip.
Okay, coming right up.
All right. Thanks, Farrah. Whoa. How much is it?
$40.
US dollars? I don't have 40 bucks. Here's your ice cream back.
Well, you need $60.
$60? I don't have 60 either. Don't you have any cheaper ice cream?
Well, I do. I have chocolate.
All right, how much is the chocolate?
60 cents.
60 cents? Now we're talking. I'll take chocolate. Thanks, Farrah.
Here's my money.
Here's 60 cents. Thanks. All right, see you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, this part right here is very simple. It goes like this. I've been up, I've been down, but I got the feeling right now